I put fresh tomatoes in jars and use them all winter. As if it was picked yesterday, I will wash the tomatoes first. I choose only healthy fruits. I remove damaged and cracked ones. I need a clean and washed jar. I use a 2.5-liter jar. I put a whole tomato in the jar. I will not cut or grind it. Tomatoes like this can be used for salad and for cooking. Do not fill the jar to the top. I need the juice of 1 lemon. I put 3 tablespoons of lemon juice in the jar. Lemon juice increases acidity and keeps tomatoes from spoiling. I pour water to cover the tomatoes. Wipe the top of the jar. Close with clean and new lids. I need a deeper pot. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pan. I put the jar in the pan. I pour water into the pot. I put the pan on the stove. From the moment the water boils, I pasteurize it for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, I remove the pan from the stove. I will leave the jar to cool completely in the water. When the jar cools, the center of the lid should sink in. Store the jar in a dark and cool place until use. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.